Chester Antonio, second platoon leader, girls. Diela Nicole Timares, school head. William Lopez, CTP Mapping Facilitator. Jay Salona, Major Coordinator. Marina Oliveres, BBC TLC Coordinator. Cheryl Estrada. Entry number 27, Africa National High School, South 4, Fabrica Bulak, Camarines Sur. You would like to acknowledge Josely Saison, Principal sa Division National High School. Entry number 27, Africa National High School, Fabrica Bulak, Camarines Sur. Next, Mary Rose Suavizo, DBC Leader, Alfred Balino, MAPE Company Commander, Mark Kenneth Castillo, MAPE Company XO, Hans Wilson Serrano, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Christopher Villete, second platoon leader, girls, Rose Veronica Patricon, school head, Rena Gonzalez, MAPE Facilitator, John Ray Alonso, Major Coordinator, Annalyn Palmones, TPC, TLC Coordinator, John Ray Alonso. Entry number 29, Santa Cruz National High School. Taken from Santa Cruz, Santa City. National High School, Santa Cruz, Naga City. Next entry number 30. Don Teofilo H. Bilaco Memorial High School, Campbalido, Libanan, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander del Staff. Troop Commander Dominic Bragais, Florence Arilano, Group S1, Kyla J. Francisco. Group S2, Ray Patrick Bazar. Group S3, John Lord Puntales. Group S4, Hazel R. Armenta. School Head, Veteran Kaluya. CDP Public Facilitator, Winston Rodrigo. Headings Coordinator, Jenny Nuesa. Lizelle Vinilote. DBC DLC Coordinator, Roy Franco Saracchi. Entry number 30, Junior H. Dilaco Memorial High School, Campalido, Ilmana, Camarines. Entry number 30, Dilaco Memorial High School, Ilmana, Camarines. First platoon leader boys, John Mark Ragaudao. Second platoon leader girls, Madola Harm Tayos. School Head, Jaimito De Leon, Papi Facilitator, Gymnasias Paldiano. Maintenance Coordinator, Si Maria Carrable. DBC TLC Coordinator, Johnny Ann Serante. Entry number 31, Concepcion Pequeña National High School, Concepcion Pequeña Naga City. National High School, Concepcion Pequeña Naga City. Next entry is entry number 32. Magarao National High School, San Isidro, Magarao, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander to Staff, Adrian Calio. Troop Commander, Mark Armin Argenti. Judges Asay, CTP Company EXO, Kathleen Sina Alvarez. First platoon leader boys, Jules Carl Pulido. Second platoon leader girls, Julie Ann Imperial. School head, Mr. Reynaldo Lopez. Principal 2, Mapping Facilitator, Mr. Joel Bailon. Assistant CTP o Mapping Facilitator, Mr. Jonathan Rene Martin. Mapping Coordinator, Mrs. Joan Balyares. Agents Coordinator is Ivani Marcela. Assistant Coordinator is Maria Castillo Sapiero. Administrator is Alex Villamonga. Mr. Lawrence PLC Trainer. Mr. Lawrence entry number 32, Magarao National High School. 33, San Roque High School. Company Commander, Jody Curande, CTP Company EXO, Eugene Magalona. First platoon leader boys, Julian C. Cudere. Second platoon leader girls, Sarah May Ia. School head, Maria Percy Anzarin Isnuro. Mapping Facilitator, Mental Secret Patrick, Jonas Montero, John Ryan Tino. Maintenance Coordinator, Proyek Mahan Rene Bayos. DBC Coordinator, Rosny Montero and Jenny Pasanidia. Entry number 33, San Roque High School, San Roque Bato Barangay. San Roque High School, Bato Barangay. Next entry number 34, Tamban National High School, Mapping Facilitator, Rugby Football. Maintenance Coordinator, Jaime Narpam, DBC DLC Coordinator, Alvin Buia, entry number 34. Tamban National High School of Tamban in a cross-country zone. Santurillo National High School, Santurillo Iriga City, Group Commander Staff, Gretchen Ligato, Group Commander, Janelle Camaragao, Group Christian Romano, Maintenance Coordinator Niña Nacario, Joan Navales, Joy May Ignao, Rica Nunez, Maintenance Trainer Homer Villarreal, DPC DLC Coordinator Manao, Yeda Takara, Jenny Guevara, Jonathan Cabañez, Danica Franco, and Tito Dakari. DLC Trainer, Tristan Andres Huisin, entry number 35, Santurillo National High School, Santurillo Iriga City. Santurillo National High School, Santurillo Iriga City. Next, entry number 36. Pili Capital College Incorporated, San Isidro Pili, Camarines Sur. Group Commander Zora. Maintenance Coordinator, André Del Rosario. BBC DLC Coordinator, Maria Carissa Nunez. Entry number 36. Pili Capital College Incorporated, San Isidro Pili, Camarines Sur.
Hindi kayo pumunta po. Ayun. Nag-uura ng tubig. Oh. Pag umurahan ba kayang kwarta, di mas maray?
Thank you. Entry number 36, Pili Capital College Incorporated, Statistic Group, Pili Camaranasu. Next entry number 37, Elijah Marie Ray, DBC DLC Coordinator, Francis Celilia Band Director, Karen G. San Pablo Coordinator, Jean Iloyola, Assistant Coordinator. Entry number 37, Nicole High School for the Arts and Culture, San Jose, Pili, Camaranasu.
Nasa tao Panduang. Nahulugan.
Thank you. Entry number 37, Deacon High School for the Arts and Culture, San Jose, Pili, Camaranasu. Next entry number 38, Pasacao National High School, Santa Rosa del Norte, Pasacao, Camaranasu. Coordinator, Gilbert Morel Pamara. Matrix Coordinator, Mary Joy Lee Oliver. DBC DLC Coordinator, Vincent Aguilo Aguilweb and Jonathan Tijares. Entry number 38, Pasacao National High School, Santa Rosa del Norte, Pasacao, Camaranasu. Hyundai Tuwa College, San Lorenzo Maniaco Principal of Pasacao National High School. Group entry number 38, Pasakaw National High School, Santa Rosa del Norte, Pasakaw, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 39, Bicol Central Academy, Bicol Tunod, Bicmanan, Camarines. Our mapping facilitator, John Kenneth Abelbus. Maintenance coordinator, Devin Lopez. ABC DLC coordinator, Anime Mayores. Raymar de la Cruz, Hunt Trainer. Or DBC Trainer, Arnie Valencia, Maintenance Trainer. Entry number 39, Bicol Central Academy, Bicol Tunod, Bicmanan, Camarines. Avalos, entry number 39, Bicol Central Academy, Bicol Tunod, Bicmanan, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 40, Ulangin General Comprehensive